How to remove Google account from your YouTube. It's pretty quick and easy. So before starting the video, subscribe a YouTube channel, hit the bell icon so you can receive the notification of next video. Do like, comment and share as well. Without wasting the time, let's jump in your YouTube and make sure that you have a latest version. Just click on your profile icon at the very top and then click on your account at the very top. And you can see all your account. Just scroll down, you can see the option of add account and use your YouTube sign out, and just below it you can see the manage account on your device. So if you want to sign out from all account, you can choose the second one option. If you want to add another one, you can choose the first one. So if you want to remove any account, just select the third option. Now you can manage your account. If you want to remove any account, any Google account, you can easily click on remove from this device and it will completely gone from your device. So here's the way to remove Google account from your YouTube. Hope it helps. If you have any question, let me know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye, and thanks for watching.